Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. So today I am going to give you my top 1 activity book niche for you. So if you are already publishing books on Amazon via the KDP platform, or you are new to this and looking to build on online business, then following as I tell you what this niche are. Now if you have not been to this channel before, the welcome. My name's Ruma Rai and I do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it. So let's go Amazon KDP marketplace, and I want to show you how to find out activity book niche. A large number of niche, you can find out a small niche or a micro niche. So let's go. We can search activity book, and we do not know any niche. So here we can see 70,000 results. So obviously there is a large number of books, a huge amount of books. So from this book you can find out a small niche or a micro niche. So the fun and relaxing adult activity book niche, and we can search, and here the results 3000 results. Here please wait a little moment. Here we can see 70,000 activity book, and in this space we see 3000 activity book. So you can easily make the fun and relaxing adult activity book and upload the Amazon KDP and with a low competition, and earn a lot of money per month. And we can check here 6,110 already reviews, and this book published 2017, and the book size, book pages 152, and we check also trademark and copyright. And we check also trademark, books, and then search. Notice records were found to match the criteria of your query. So you can easily make this book. This is a book cover, and you can easily this book create, and interior pages is also easy. So you can make this word search and Warsars and Maji others. So you can make good book cover and good manuscript and find out profitable keywords and upload this book on Amazon KDP, and you can easily earning from this book a lot of money per month. So if you have liked my video, please like, comment and share my videos. And hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niche, more ideas. So thank you so much. Thank you all.